Here we're going to open a new tab and we're going to go to earth.google.com. Once we get to earth.google.com, we can launch by either clicking here on Launch Earth or here on Launch Earth. So I'm just going to launch Earth. Then what you're going to do is you're going to watch it load, and it's going to load up. Then what I want you to do is I want you to come over here to this icon right here that says Projects. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click New Project. Create project in Google Drive. You're going to call this Atherwood Opposite. Okay. Now, you're going to come down here after you do that, and you're going to click Watch Tutorial. And you're going to watch the tutorial. After that, go back to the assignment, and it will tell you exactly what to do.